Well, new efforts to help get more Nevadans vaccinated. Governor Steve Sisolak is pleading for federal assistance so Las Vegas doesn't shut down again. This comes just days after the state received $2.7 billion from the American Rescue Plan. Victoria Saha has the latest on the new efforts.
It's been just over a month since we returned to 100% capacity on the Las Vegas Strip. It looks like it did before the pandemic, but now more cases have Governor Steve Sisolak asking for federal help. His chief of staff, Michelle White, explains how the money will be used.
We're going to be, tripling down on efforts to increase the number of vaccination sites, specifically in the Valley, targeted at high transmission rates, low vaccination rates.
With the help of FEMA, there could be an additional 6 to 10 vaccination clinics.
We need to have more concerted efforts to increase confidence. Some are taking the wait and see approach of they wanted to see what happens. That time is here. We can see now what happens, and what we're seeing is that those who are vaccinated are protected.
Dr. FERMIN LEGUEN with the health district says with these increased cases, there are also increased hospitalizations.
What we find out is that 95% of the cases reported in Clark County the last 3 months are people who are not vaccinated.
Currently, 53% of Nevadans have gotten at least one dose, but Dr. GOV.SISOLAK'S, a pulmonologist with St. Rose Sienna, says we have a long way to go until COVID-19 is no longer a threat.
As long as we do up to 70%, I think we should be at a good target, and then the rest is all bonus.
Dr. Sile says testing is just as important as getting vaccinated. Those additional vaccine sites will also serve as testing centers, which will only be made possible with FEMA staffing them. Victoria Saha, 8 News Now.
Well, $5 million from federal money is going towards Vax Nevada Days, which serves as a cash and prize incentive for those who get vaccinated. The governor's office says that money will stay in place and the first winner will be announced next week.